This is a way to make butter and buttermilk. I added 500 ml of high-fat cream to the bowl of a food processor. I used a food processor to force the buttermilk out of the butterfat, but this can also be done using a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or simply shaken in a mason jar. The food processor whips the cream and keeps adding air until the emulsion it creates breaks, which takes a few minutes. Every 30 seconds I scrape the bowl down and continue to process until the machine's sloshing sound changes. When the cream's natural emulsion breaks, the butterfat turns yellow and the buttermilk turns bright white. I strained the butter using cheesecloth draped over a small mixing bowl. I gathered the ends of the cheesecloth and gently twisted them together to squeeze out the buttermilk. If needed, rinsing with an ice bath will help to solidify the fat. I gently squeeze the butter fat into a ball. The butter has a beautiful soft texture and the buttermilk tastes delicious, but there are no active cultures in it, so it lacks the tang that the buttermilk inoculated with the culture has. The butter fat from 500 milliliters of my local high-fat cream scaled 220 grams.